Hi, Phoebe. I just came back from work. Yeah, it was good. I think I'm gonna get a raise soon. I don't know. I think my boss likes me. Oh, come on. If you were my boss, we do so much other things. Oh, yeah. While I was on break, I was looking on TikTok and I found this cool trend. I don't know. I think it'll be funny. Okay, so it's basically where you try and drink a whole soda without burping, and I think I know it sounds stupid, but like I don't know. It sounds really funny, and I bet you I can do it. I bet you. Okay, let's do $10. Okay, you get $10 if so you get $10 for my paycheck if I burp before finishing the soda, and you pay me $10 if I don't. You want another bet? Okay, wait, what's that? Okay, so that's good. So $10 and a kiss from both, and you said what? Okay. If I burp before finishing the soda, I have to make out with you, and I pay you $10. I don't know. That's pussy. No, of course I'm not. Bet we're doing it. I don't care. We're doing it. Bet now. Okay, I'll be right back with a soda. Okay. Okay, I have it. Oh yeah. Well, let's see. You can beat this. Okay, here goes nothing. Holy cow. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Damn it. Kind of hurts. Almost there. I'm almost there. And now I can do it. Oh Lord. No, bet's not over. Damn it. Let me go get another can, okay? Round 2, right? And if I fail this one, for sure, we can do it, okay? Cheating? No, that's not cheating, honey. No. Baby, please. Please, baby. No, okay. I'll be right back. Excuse me. I'm still burping from the last one, but I'm back. Pardon. Okay, let's do this for round 2. Yeah? Seriously? Gassy? No, it's just whatever. Okay, it's soda. Okay, I'll go. Jeez. Okay, let me get any final burps out before I start. Yeah, whatever. Let me just start. Do you hear that? It's super carbonated. Good luck? No, I don't need any luck. I think I got a strategy going. It's working pretty well. Yeah? You really think you're gonna get $10 out of me? I just spilled it on me. What the? Burping? No. Okay. I did it, okay. Okay, but I just spilled it on me. Are you freaking serious? What do you mean I should be the last of my worries? What are you even talking about? Jesus. No, okay. Just harder than it looks, okay? I don't know what else is hard, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I said it again. Okay, just give me like 5 minutes so I can finish like burping. Excuse me. Yeah, now that you mention it, I do have more in the can. I'll just finish it. Okay, I'm finished. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm all done. Definitely gonna be lying down now. About the bet, yeah, I hear you. Just give me a minute. My tummy's a little out right now. Uh-oh, the hiccups. Yeah, come on, lay on my tummy. It, like, sounds weird. Yeah, no, get comfortable. Yeah, I don't know, it's upset. Excuse me. Do you hear that? Wait, where are you going? No. Okay, I'll make out with you, okay? Because I lost the bet, and I'll give you the $10 later. No, I'll do it. Jesus. You trying to make out with me or like take my breath away? Okay. Okay, that's enough. I'll give you the $10 now.